Paralympics 2016, Team GB complete extraordinary canoe clean sweep. Great Britain's Jeanette Chippington celebrates with her gold medal in the women's KL1 medal ceremony at the Largo Stadium. Credit, PA. A Paralympic champion from the 1990s, a severely seasick London 2012 volunteer and a woman who was paralysed while sheep shearing ensured an incredible British clean sweep of all three female canoe titles in Rio on Thursday. Jeanette Chippington last topped the podium as a swimmer at the Atlanta 1996 Paralympics, but she launched a flurry of golds on the picture-perfect Rodrigo de Freitas Lagoon, with Emma Wiggs doubling the tally 18 years after she lost use of her legs due to a mystery virus picked up while shearing sheep in Australia. Inspired to try canoeing by a chance conversation with a fellow volunteer at London 2012, Anne Dickens completed the hat trick as all three of Britain's female canoeists topped the podium in less than an hour. Emma Wiggs celebrates her gold. That trio of gold medals helped push Britain's tally up to 49 early on Thursday evening, surpassing the Arnhem total from 1982. Ensure these Rio Games are now GB's third most successful of all time.